In this video today, we will see how to change the download location for Chrome browser in Android device to SD card so that you can save the internal space of your phone. So for that one, we will open Chrome browser. Then we will tap on this more option here, settings. Then we will go down, open this downloads, and then select this option download location. Now at this moment, the download location for the Chrome browser is the download folder present in the Android device. So if you want to change the download location to SD card, then select the SD card, done. So once this is done, what happens is the next time whatever files that you download from Chrome browser, it will save in the SD card so that your phone's memory will not be occupied. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.